of news, lots of corporate action to go through. As you were saying, the demerger of SR Shipping and SR Ports is also underway, and the management is talking about that. Let's listen.
410 crores, and the shipping, oilfield services and logistics business will be spun off in a new company called SR Shipping, which will have a share capital of 205 crores. Today, the listing of SR Shipping, SR Ports is going to commence and must have already commenced at 9:15. The ports entity, today we have 88 million tons of capacity. We have added 12 million tons of capacity during this financial year at Vadinar, which is the oil terminal. So the capacity there goes up from 46 million tons to 58 million tons. And we have another port in Hazira, which handles bulk cargo, which has a capacity of 30 million tons. So in totality, we have one of the largest private sector portfolios of ports, 88 million tons of capacity. Last year the utilization was 40 million tons, and this capacity is going to be enhanced to 156 million tons in the course of next 2 to 3 years. By 2013 March, we are expecting the additional capacity to come, and the utilization is expected to go from 40 million tons to 120 million tons by 13-14. So we expect that SR Ports is going to do very well, and a multifold increase in business. As far as past results are concerned, in the year 10-11, the company recorded an annual turnover of 735 crores and EBITDA of about 534 crores. The EBITDA for SR Ports is 75%, which is one of the best in the industry, and we expect this to be around 75 to 77% in the next few years. If you look at the port sector is one of the major infrastructure areas of growth in the country. The current capacity of ports is about 1,000 million metric tons, and in these 10 years, the projection is that with the expected growth of external trade, imports and exports both, if it is...
That's SR Ports Management. The stock is down about 28% on listing, but the market's up about 0.5%, the Sensex and the Nifty. And let's quickly put a spotlight back on the markets as they